This is going to be the Popeyes.
Popeyes.
First
Oh, really good. I've never had a Popeyes.
I love it.
Zaxby's.
I've
You ever had that?
I've never had a Zaxby at all.
Really? Think you're gonna be impressed.
I
Good, that's good. That's good. Good meat. That's my favorite so far.
They're good.
Zaxby's.
That's a daggone good sandwich.
Right.
Popeyes and Zaxby to me are a tie.
All right. I'm close. I'm with you. All right, let's go. We want to do that one. It's Arby's.
Yeah.
Arby's. Arby's chicken sandwich.
My favorite.
I think it's mine too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Man,
Tomato, mayonnaise, the balance, the ratio,
the
bun.
seasoning. The seasoning is good.
Oh man.
Don't want another bite. I don't.
No, don't do no more.
It's a big piece of chicken.
That's almost it's twice the size of some of the other ones.
Was it twice as expensive?
No. No, they were all comparable. Look at that. Look at the meat.
Not loving it. Bland.
Kind of bland.
Bland.
Yeah, it's medium big, but kind of bland. I agree.
Before I forget, what's my top run on Arby's?
AFC.
KFC's kind of dropped off. They're
Yeah.
kind of like,
They're not what they used to be. No?
no, I'm bland.
Kind of bland. It's good. The pickle helps.
Yeah, but it's a chicken sandwich, not a pickle sandwich.
Yeah. Here goes Rallies. It's a good looking sandwich. Big old tomato on
Oh
there.
yeah, oh, some tomato.
Honking
The
tomato.
first sandwich we got with tomato on it. Nothing.
Oh wow, yeah.
Just nothing, right?
Nothing. No, this is here.
No, I mean, no, it's just like tofu. There's no seasoning.
Yeah.
Rallies has nothing for me.
Yeah, I agree. It is. Wendy's. Wendy's.
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing.
I agree. Wow.
It's like eating solidified
It's
grease.
cardboard.
Yeah.
There's no flavor.
Somebody missing a cardboard box or something.
Yeah. Very thin piece of meat though.
And this is who?
McDonald's.
Oh God.
I'm
I'm salty.
Yeah.
Hold on. Go that way.
I don't even want to finish eating. That's terrible. That is terrible. Wow.
What the, it looked like a chicken sandwich.
That is by far. That's
The
the
worst.
worst. Yeah.
That is the worst. So far we got Arby's.
I wouldn't give it to a homeless person. That's terrible. See, I love to see that good old the meat. It's good, but it can kind of bland compared to some of them. What do you think?
I think Arby's just won.
Arby's kicked ass. I thought it'd be close.
So we tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9
9.
sandwiches.
Yeah.
Arby's kicked butt.
Hands down.
I want to go find the Arby's and finish it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
So Arby's, a roast beef king. We've got the meat.
They do have the meat.
You got to tag Arby's in this.
Oh, absolutely. I'm surprised. I'm way blown away and surprised.
And you know what? My go-to has always been Chick-fil-A, but this has like a 20% more.
Zaxby's and Burger King, I've gone to those a lot, but compared to the rest, they're kind of bland. Yeah, Arby's. Holy man, who would have thought that? You know?
I haven't only had a chicken sandwich. Is that new?